welcome to Whelan's World. So if you are new here for the first time, please subscribe and like. If you're a regular subscriber, like and share this with all your friends, especially if they are in Joburg. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm here in Rosebank The Zone. So my friend has his clothing line and he's having his pop-up store right here at Rosebank The Zone next to Krispy Kremes. So today I'm actually going to show you what it is all about. So if you have time, if you're around this area, please come through. So let me show you what he has. So these are the t-shirts I'm actually going to show you guys. These are some of the t-shirts that you have. Nice for summertime. You can wear it with a short. You can wear it with like a tight, whatever you would like to style with. So we have these type of t-shirts. We also have these ones over here. Cute. This is like probably like an extra small for the ladies or so. And then you have different colors over here. So if you can come a little bit closer, you have these different colors over here. You have the sleeveless ones. We also have one if you like want to go out and about in the evening, summer in December, you want to do the trip thing. You wear this with a jean, with a short, imagine with a black short. Will look dope. Then again we have some t-shirts for the guys. So it's the same as this dress that I have over here, but it's just the t-shirt. So if you and Gray want to match up, you buy him for December, you buy yourself a dress, and there you go. Couple goals. Then you have other colors as well over here. And yeah, and you also you have the pink, the mustard. So as you can see, the colors are extremely vibrant. The perfect thing to wear in summer. Then we also have the jumpsuits over here. So I think this one is too big for me. That great denim jumpsuit, originally made in South Africa by South African. So this is also supporting people of color wanting to make it big in South Africa. Then I know it's summer, but when you go out in the evening, it's a little bit chilly. Well, sometimes you don't care because it's about the sweat. Then you can wear these stuff. So these are for the ladies. I'll show you guys the one for the guys now. So these I'm going to actually put on one so that you guys can see how dope it looks, right? So this is how it looks. Swag. That's how it looks. You can wear it with a jean. Like you can style it up the way you would like to style it up. So I just want to show you guys we have and you also would stand out. So when you cross the street in the evening, people will know, someone is walking there. So yeah, you have this and then the orange. Then when it comes to hoodies and stuff, you have these ones over here. I think the style is probably called like Wakanda, if I'm not mistaken, was the video guy. Then you have this. Like guys, you must come through. Like it's like a variety. You have the pink, you have the red, you have the maroon, you have the gray. Oh, the gray. Like the style that best suits you. So also different prints and stuff. So you can come through based on what you like. What you can also add to this is you can add the pants. So it is both separately or you can buy it like together as one. So imagine you wearing your whole tracksuit or just the top. Swaggerish. Up next we also have some caps, right? So you have these caps over here. As you can see, it's the same, more or less the same pattern as my dress. So you can wear this as well for summertime. We also have the bucket hats. I'll show the bucket hats at another time. You have your mussies, as we call it in Afrikaans. I don't know, like caps, winter caps, right? You even have your mask. So you can even match up. You can be all matchy with your mask, with your hoodie, with your jeans and your shorts. And there you go. Talking about shorts. Girls, ladies for the summer and guys for the summer. So the nice thing about Wally Mantra's brand is that it's very unisex. So male and female can actually fit into the same and you won't even notice. So you have your shorts for the summer that you can rock. There's different styles. that you can see over here. So you have this one that's again similar to the pattern of my dress. Different color of lining. Yeah, and after the dresses. So, those guys, the golf dresses. Ladies, if you don't have a golf dress, you must get one like now. The one that I have on, it's a lot of pattern, but if you're looking for something a little bit more plain and simple, I would suggest that you go for this. You can wear it out like casual, with a tacky, with a sandal, even with a heel, if you want to prefer it like that. So I'll show you other designs of these other colors. So you have this one, which is the pattern. You have the red in this one. So if you don't have a golfer dress, leave polo. Come and get the Wally Mandla golfer dress. It's really nice and easy actually to also style. Before we go there, we also have these, you see, this nipple type of dress style. So you have this different sizes, saying yeah, Mandla Wali, define the cultural roots. So you have the white, the navy in this type of dresses. Again, yeah, the golfer dress in just two different styles with a yellow lining on the side. And then we have these dresses over here. So these are more like for the loose. It's very loose, but it's very comfortable. If I could put it on one back, right? Taking it off, it's going to be too much. But you have these ones, so I like the mustard a lot. So it has the pockets that you can actually wear on the side. Probably now these pictures, so down in the description I've added the Instagram and I've added the website. So if you want to have a look at it, you can also order online. So if you can't come to Rosebank, yeah, or you can't come to like the Zonia, you can order online and make your order there. So we have the pink, the mustard, and the white in this one. What is this dress called? What is the design for this dress?
Baseball dress. Baseball dress.
This is the baseball dress. You see, you get the golfer dress and now you get the baseball dress. So very, very nice and comfortable. On to the t-shirts. We have more t-shirts for guys. So yeah, again for summer, t-shirts with different printing styles. As you can see over here. Let me see. Like we have for the plain James and we have for the ones that like drama. You see, this is drama. This is what you like. So it's for everyone. Then we also have the vest. So I know in summer it can get extremely hot, especially in Johannesburg. So make sure, guys, that you have your vest. You see, it's not that white vest that you put on underneath your white shirt. Not that vest. This is the vest that you actually wear out when you either go to the beach, when you're going for chillers with your friends, that type of thing. So we also have different patterns and colors in this one. So you have this, you have this, you have this variety. Come and have a look. We have more t-shirts over here, and then poof, your hoodies. So if you're a hoodie person, whether you are a hoodie person or not, you will love this. So again, a variety of different colors, different styles, as well as different patterns. So the nice thing, the same with those tops, né? These also come with pants. So if you want the full tracksuit, you can even match different, like the top with the different pants according to how you would like to style it. So this is like the mustard one. It has the cap at the back, and this is, guys, this is original. This is original. This is like detailedly made by Wale Mandla. So he has designed these prints. So it's not just a copy and paste from someone else. This is locally done by himself. You have the pink. You have the brown. Let me show you guys another design. So you even have the orange. So as you can see, the colors nice, vibrant for summer, for winter, and you can add your pants if you prefer it. Then I showed you guys the bright ones for the ladies, the jackets. So now we also have the longer one for the guys. I'm going to put this on as well. want to put it on, even though it's big, so that you guys can just see. This is for the guys. But I know some ladies, they like things big, so if you like this, the detail, look at the detail. Front, back, side, there you go. So these are the jackets that we have for guys. And guys, the quality of this is proper. Yeah, we have other designs as well for the jackets for the guys. So you can have a look over here and see what your style is. We have one that's a little bit more formal. Sorry guys, we're back and we're just continuing. So guys, this jacket over here, this is it. So it's two jackets that I'm holding, but it's actually one because why is reversible. So you can either, if you're going out, maybe you're wanting to do something a little bit more formal, you can do this one. If you want to do something a little bit more edgy, you do this one. But it's a 2-in-1 jacket. So imagine you're paying one price, but people will think like, hey, this guy's jacket is awesome. Can't think it will be one. Only one. So yeah guys, diversity. We also have this one for when it's raining or so. So yet again, you can wear it out, in and out. So depending on what structure you want to wear it with, either the sleek one or the one where you can actually see the stitches, you are able to wear it like that, and everyone will be able to see everyone because it's yellow and bright, like me. So last but not least, we have these two jackets over here. So as you can see at the back, the same color, same pattern, just a different style. So guys, there is something for each and every one of you. You must just come through and support. If you can't come through, I have again in the description added the link to the online shopping. You can do online shopping. He's originally actually based in Cape Town, but now putting out the branches to other provinces such as Gauteng. So that is it guys. I hope you guys stay tuned. Next up is the bucket hats. Last but not least guys. So as you can see over here, we have the amazing bucket hat, and I'm going to put, this is mine, I'm going to put it on. So these are the bucket hats that it actually has as well, the Wally Manche bucket hats. And the same with the different patterns of the different clothes that you get, you also get it with the bucket hats. So let me show you the variety of the other bucket hats. If you are interested in some nice, perfect for the summer, December, this is your bucket hats that you get. So you have this print over here. As you can see, it's very similar to the dress that I'm wearing, but I want to switch it up. I don't want to do the matchy thing. So you can do this. You have this pattern over here, the one that I have on. This is one of our new patterns that we have over here. And then last but not least, the one that is similar to the mask. So the nice thing is, because we are still in COVID like regulations and stuff, you need to wear your mask. You can match it up with your cap. But don't forget about this. So this bucket hat is actually reversible, right? So if you have like an all black thing and you want to tone things down a bit, you're able to wear it as a black bucket hat, and you can maybe do this to show the prints and stuff. And there you have it. Last but not least, we have the moon bags. So as you can see, I can match it up again. It's the same style as my dress. The waist, you can wear the bucket hat. You can wear it like this. So it can be like, wait, you can wear it like this. This is perfect just for your bag, your purse, the essential things that you need, your hand sanitizer. And you can wear it like this. Cool kids, you can even wear it like this. So then you can adjust it. You can wear it as a hipster thing. And there you go. Male, female, like it's unisex. So whether you would like to wear it as a female, whether you would like to wear it as a male, you can do so. So guys, please, as I mentioned, I did put down the details below in the description. Wally Mandla on Instagram, on Facebook, and they have a website if you would like to look for more things and shop online. You're more than free to do so. But if you're on the area, come through to Rosebank, the zone, and come and shopping. Come do some shopping. I know you will love it. Until next time, please like and subscribe to Whelan's World.